Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image, jewelry photo, long time ago and used the 4x5 reversal film, analog age, straight. Well, this is my subject today and I have another image which I made by Adobe Photoshop. Use a filter called Find Edges, and I may use this, so I'm gonna turn it off right now and I'm gonna work on this base image. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna make duplicate layer from this and let's try smudge with the drawing to little pine and smudge these images like a painting type. These are nice stones. Nice highlight here, gold. Yeah, I wanna add paint this highlight, and I really like this light on this stone. Well, that's it for jewelries. Just 4. I may emphasize these colors more clear and stuff because just creative image, so it's not real commercial image. If it's commercial, then I can't do that. But what I'm making today is as one of the creative image, so emphasize some colors, lightings. Well, beforehand, I can show you that this pencil drawing type image, I can change the blend mode normal to like darken. It shows underneath of the image, but I can change to the overlay. It makes different effect, which is more emphasized color-wise. It really pops up. Well, I think this is because of this base image is on too. So I'm going to turn this one off. Now we see this smudged image, but not much. Don't show the smudge. Oh no, because of the pencil drawing type image. Like I can tone down this. About 60%. Now light is more lightened up, more emphasized gold and stuff. Well, I can use this image by hide the mask or reveal some to show this part of it. Well, what can I do for this Yeah, opacity up to 60%. Just leave it this one this way. And I'm gonna add one layer, or maybe painting or some. Let's see. Take this purplish color, a little bit more. I'm going to choose some. Well, okay, just add color on this with the stucco. This texture is like this stones, this background stuff, huh? So I can add some color on here. It's too big. And also I can add this yellowish green. How about, this bluish green too? Well, it's not that effective or anything like that. I'm gonna erase these. Well, just smudge this background also. I'm gonna use a little bit bigger tool, well, like a Oberon. Make it expand canvas size. Take these lines out. Now everything. Well, I can hide this. Make mask, invert mask. Now I'm gonna airbrushing to soft blend. Like that. Now, well, how about this add? Layer mode add to emphasize this highlight, specular highlight. Well, let's try this. I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Then this first image, just go back to overlay and 60%. Now I'm gonna try on this, add 30%. Pretty harsh. Oh well, 20% also. Good, 20% now. Now I'm gonna review this, clear this, then invert again. Now I'm gonna review this with specular highlight. So let's see. Luminance, how's this? Light brush. Let's see. Reveal this layer mask of the add. Check this with highlight. Just like this, huh? Well, this one is specular highlight. That's interesting. Okay. Alright, and this is overlay, lighten up overall. Now what's next? This color, do we need this? No, we don't need this. That's okay. Now let's see a different image. How about bring this one, go up to top, then change the blend mode. Can light change some, just a touch. Too harsh. Soft light, it's gonna sharpen up the gold color, huh? Well, just leave this off. Normal, turn it off. Now I'm gonna make mask on this. Make mask. Well, invert mask. Now look forward. Just see it. Well, how's this? Yeah, this is okay too, I think. As a postcard or something. Using that brush. Materials Glover. Which is pretty interesting. Well, that's it for today, and well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Try something on your work, and well, we have, I don't use this base image, I didn't use this one. I used this secular light on this add filter. This one, add layer mode. Then this one is lighting up with overlay mode. Then I didn't use this color layer, I'm gonna delete. Now I'm using that last one is mask to reveal with this interesting materials Glover. Well, that's it for today. Thank you, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.